We have to go pick Sochi up and then we can go to school, okay?
No school tomorrow?
No, tomorrow is Friday though.
Yay.
Tomorrow is Friday, so we have school Friday, and then you have Saturday and Sunday off.
No school tomorrow?
Yes, there's school tomorrow, love.
Tomorrow?
Yeah. Sorry, but I get to see you.
It's bus 3885.
See you. I'm excited.
Safeway bus.
Me too.
Everybody.
You know, Safeway bus operating. They now have.
School tomorrow, school today. You're gonna be okay.
You know,
and tomorrow's school.
Yes.
Just be confident.
But not starting Sunday.
and there's bus 1402 over there.
Because you get that the day off.
Exactly.
I'm glad you do. I'm glad you do, because I don't. Thank you very much.
I'm glad I do.
I'm glad you do.
Yes.
I'm sure you're glad you do.
I am.
I'm sure they have a good deal.
Are you glad you get off? I'm sure you're glad you do too.
Yeah, very good.
There's another school over there. That's the Academy of Forest View.
We're almost there. See, there's the school. What are the others in here?
That's the Sigwald. The beginning Academy is Sigwald.
This is my first year here.
Yes.
This is your first year, Krisha?
Yeah.
I'm wondering.
You stop it.
I'm wondering.
Yeah, because I bought them 2005.
Wondering. I'm here. I'm wondering to school. I'm wondering to school. Sochi? No Sochi there.
That's right.
We're a little early, guys. She doesn't have to be downstairs. for
She's
another minute.
shipping.
Okay.
Oh, wait. Yeah.
That far, but I hope that she would wait and not get wet,
Right.
right?
Yes.
We never know.
I've done that before.
We never know.
Yeah.
I walked home in the rain.
Are
It
we
was
ready?
not fun.
It is not fun.
No.
Your socks get wet, your clothes get wet,
And it wasn't
your pants get wet.
it wasn't like it wasn't next to the school either.
Oh, okay.
There's the Academy Sigwald school over there.
It's lots.
I used to walk like a mile.
Yeah, the two other buses over there, of course, 1545 and 1405.
Walk from your house and get to school.
Yeah, school. We're here.
Yeah, we're here.
We are at school.
Hi, everybody.
Yeah.
Tuesday.
We're here.
We're here, everybody.
Alright.
Who likes me now?
I do.
I do.
The year bus is 1545 and there's 1405.
Very excited.
Yes.
Okay, let's turn those down.
There's bus 1545.
That's Christian.
What's that?
You give me kids. It's gonna be day one.
No.
Are you okay?
Are you alright, Zach?
Are you okay?
My shoes on my shoe.
I know it's kind of slippery.
I'm in the bus.
Be careful. You gotta be careful. When you
those
guys
guys-
go down the stairs today to exit, make sure you hold on to the railing, okay?
Yeah.
Because
Why?
it gets slippery from all the rain and okay?
Mountains.
And if you go too fast, you can fall. So I want you to hold on to the railing, the hand railing when you go down.
I've done that before. It's not.
I haven't.
No,
I've done that.
too, and I'm a bus
I.
driver. It's not fun.
I've done that a long time ago when I was little, but I don't do that anymore.
It's not fun. No fun at all.
And then you're gonna
And there were people still on the bus too, so I wasn't in there.
And there's bus 1405 over there.
Now?
Yes.
Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching.